Hi and welcome to this fantastic family home here at 52 Rundle Street here in Wandal.
Really well positioned close to the Wandal Village, St Joseph's Primary School and the Rockhampton Base Hospital.
This home has all of the fantastic features that you look for in a Queenslander, as well as this open plan living space.
I hope you enjoyed our tour of this home at 52 Rundle Street in Wandal. If our team at the agency can help you own this home, why don't you give us a call? We would love to help you out.